Hey traders, welcome to 𝗬𝗃𝗿𝗆's weekly forex forecast. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, along with a lot of forex pairs. On this channel, we explain you our point of view regarding the next moves in the market. Those who are new to 𝗬𝗃𝗿𝗆's channel, our weekly market forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to help you be on the right side of the trade. So click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the charts. We hope all of you made money last week. And for our subscription service members, we hope you get in Euro Yen buy as it was a trade of the week. Now those of you who are new and don't know about our subscription service, all the details are on our website. For DXY, this was an ending structure. As mentioned last week, market went down, we were not in the sell, and then we got in this buy. So if you are in the buy, all what you have to do is to manage your trade. What we are expecting next? We are expecting a corrective structure downwards. So if this market here will spend time in this sideways move, this will be even better to us. After this corrective structure, another upwave to come. At the moment, we can see DXY correcting downwards next week. Alright? This is our bias and this is our forecast. If you are following us, you should be already in the buy. And if you are in the buy, you can take profits or manage your trade. It's up to you. At the moment, we can see DXY correcting downwards. Euro dollar for this one, we've got this down wave, we've got this up move, and then this drop. I hope all of you who trade euro dollar get in this sell. And all the traders who took our June course, they know exactly how to enter from here. So those of you who are in the sell, you can take profits or manage your trade. What are we expecting next for euro dollar? We are expecting an up wave here to be a corrective structure. So we can see it going down correctively, another up wave, and then we will update you. At the moment, we can see euro dollar correcting upwards. And guys, just to let you know, big moves are coming in the market and some pairs are ready to reverse for more than 1000 pips move. Those pairs will be covered by T this Sunday. Anyway, all the details about our subscription service is on our website homepage. If this turns out to be a corrective structure upwards, another drop to come. Pound dollar for this one, you remember this up wave, right? After this up move, market went down. And let me explain you here one more thing. Some of our traders, they sold here, they took profits here. They sold here, and they took profits here. And they sold here again, this will be a break-even trade. Wave analysis will give you a nudge. And if you learn it correctly, with a complete system, you will be able to predict the next wave with a higher probability chance. And then with good strategies, money management system, risk management, and trade management, you will be able to succeed. I'm not saying forex trading is easy, but it's doable, and you can do it. Anyway, what next for pound dollar? Like I said here, market went up, it gave us this corrective structure, it went back up. Pound dollar will spend time here within this sideways move. So another push up is very possible. After this up wave, a down move. Once this corrective structure will be finished, another push up. In the bigger picture, pound dollar after the completion of this corrective structure, it will go up again. But this corrective structure, it might be deeper and bigger. Can we trade within this sideways move? Definitely. Now, if I show you the bigger picture again, this is the daily chart for pound dollar. If market will correct here, another push up to come and to break this top and this top. And some of you still remember this expanding flat formation. If market will give us this expanding flat, we'll be selling pound dollar all the way down to break this low. Do not forget this picture, save it, we'll come back to it later on. Coming back to 4 hours, market might spend some time here within this sideways move. Regarding June course, we have started accepting payments. And once you make the payment, you will be added to our private Slack group and you will receive instructions on how to access the course materials in order to be ready for the live and practical sessions. And remember this, guys, the guidance through the live sessions is a next level guidance. Aussie dollar for this one, market is correcting downwards. Those of you who are still in from here, you keep moving your stops. We've got this down wave, we've got this up move, and we've got this down wave. What next? A corrective structure upwards. More details about this structure here and how far this corrective structure can go will be discussed by T on Sunday. At the moment, we can see it going up correctively. Dollar yen for this one, I hope all of you remember this down wave, this up move, and this down wave. From here, we stopped you last week and we said, guys, if you are in the sell, you take profits because we can see it spending time here within this corrective structure. So if you are following us correctly, you should be able to make profits in this up wave and in this down wave. Alright? Market went up and we broke this top. What next? For dollar yen, we can see it going down for the next few weeks. This down wave, it might be extended. At the moment, because here we are sharing the bias, we can see it going down. Do not jump in, you trade with care, and you follow your system. New Zealand dollar for this one, we were expecting market to go up correctively for another drop. We were wrong here for this forecast. Market went up, and because of the news, we've got this sharp up wave again. After this up wave, market came back down to the same level. What next? Corrective structure upwards for another drop. So for New Zealand dollar, we can see it going up correctively for another drop. If you are in the sell, you move your stops and let market unfold. Pound yen for this one, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. Those of you who don't know what is this structure, we discussed this in details in our private Slack group and in our private sessions. This structure here is a contracting triangle for this up wave. So after this corrective structure, market went up. If anyone of you is in the buy, you have to take profits. Why? One more push up, another down wave. So for pound yen, if market will give us an up wave, we will look for our sell setups. And this one is a higher probability move, the up move. Now do not jump in above this top. Market can go higher than that. But for us, above this top, we will look for our sell setups. Any sell setup we get above this top, we will go for it. And we are expecting this down wave to be fast and sharp, something similar to this one. Noting that the previous weekly high is not too far. Let me show you the bigger picture here. This high is not too far. So if market will go up to break this high, a drop will come. And this drop only to complete another corrective structure, another up wave. And this correction, guys, it will be similar to this one, but not in form. Alright? I will not go into too much details. This is all what I will explain. This corrective structure, it will be similar to this one, but not in form. Coming back to 4 hours, after every new high, we will look for our sell setups for this one. Do not jump in, do not over risk, and do not overtrade. US oil for this one, we were waiting market to give us a corrective structure for another drop. Instead, market went up sharp. So after this up wave, we started another down move. For this one, if market will push up, another sell setup. If you wanna sell it, you can go for it. For us, we will not sell it. Even if some of our traders are in the sell or they will sell it, we will not sell it. Why? Because we look at US oil from an investment perspective. You might be trading US oil, alright? You might be able to trade it and make decent profits with this down wave. Gold for this one, we've got this up wave, corrective structure. Up, corrective structure, and then up again. After this up wave, most of our traders who trade gold get in the sell from the top. And it's not about jumping in, it's about executing a clear strategy. So, we've got in the sell, market went in, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. The way market is going to the downside, it was corrective. So we've got out for break even. Even if you are wrong with your analysis and you can get out for break even, this will be perfect. And if you get a small loss, this is not a big deal. After this up wave, we will go for the sell setups again. All the possibilities shows us that gold, it will fall. So analysis is only one part, and knowing how to trade is a different story. This is why having a complete system is very important. Now, you will only worry if you get in here as example without stop loss and you are over risking. And this is why I always say you should never ever trade without stop loss. Do not over risk, do not over trade, never ever add to your losing position, and do not follow anyone blindly, even us. You have to learn how to trade correctly and surround yourself with like-minded people. These guys will help you a lot to build your experience. And as per Warren Buffett, the more you learn, the more you earn. Anyway, for gold, we will ignore any buy setup and we will go for every sell setup. Doorcat for this one, market went up, we were in this buy, and market took us out for break even. We've got in again, based on our strategies, market went down, we are out for break even. Up, down. Let me repeat this. Even if you are wrong in your analysis and you can get out for break even, this will be perfect. The way market is going here, we do not like it. Looks like it's correcting for another drop. So what next? For this one, if market will drop under this low, we will look for buy setups again. Alright? Any new low will be the potential last low. What if market will go up from here? We will find our setup and we will get in. At the moment, we do not see this up wave for now. Let me repeat this. If market will drop under this low, we will look for our buy setups again. We will not sell this wave. Euro-Yen, like I said, this was one of the trades of the week. And I hope guys all of you are watching the short videos posted by our team. Those of you who took this buy and made profits, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section. Market went in and then it went back up. After this up wave, we've got another corrective structure, another up move. And also this was mentioned in the midweek review email. What next? Corrective structure, we are getting it right now. Up wave, and then we will look for our sell setups. So after this up wave, we will look for sell setups. Alright? Do not jump after this top, market can go higher than that. This is what we are expecting next for Euro-Yen. Silver for this one, market went down, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. Now this looks like a corrective structure for another push up. Remember, we said those of you who trade silver, you go for sell setups. From here or from here. If you are in the sell, you must have made decent profits or you will get out for break even. With this structure here in the middle, looks like we are going to the upside one more time. After this up wave, another drop to make a bigger corrective structure. At the moment, we are in an uptrend here for silver. And those of you who are buying, you keep buying until market takes you out. Alright? Bitcoin for this one, market is going for a sideways move and we think this will spend time here before the next up wave. And even we can break this low one more time. Why I'm mentioning this again? Because if you will buy and you will put stop loss under this low, market can take you out and then up again. Remember, it's investment. You should invest only 10% of your equity and your stop loss should be at 0, right? If I need to take a decision right now at the moment, I will go for the buy. Most traders, they start to trade, they lose big, and then they decide to learn. Don't be most traders. You have to learn first and then you risk your money. Regarding June course, we have started accepting payments. And once you make the payment, you will be added to our private Slack group and you will receive instructions on how to access the course materials in order to be ready for the live and practical sessions. And remember this, guys, the guidance through the live sessions is a next level guidance. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.